Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Today we will be making potato fritters. Here are all the ingredients that you will need. Take 3 potatoes and grate it. Then wash it and squeeze all the water from the potatoes. Now add chives. And then add 1 large onion, finely chopped, and squeeze all the water from the onion. Now add 1 teaspoon black pepper and add salt to taste. Now we need to mix 1/4 teaspoon of spice. Now add 3 tablespoons flour. Now add 2 beaten eggs. Now mix it very well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon crushed chilli. Grease the pan with oil and then pour the batter with spoon and fry it on low to medium heat. Now after 5 minutes, turn it to the side. Take out in the plate. Repeat, do the same process. Cook it until it's fully cooked and turns into golden color. These are the ingredients for the yogurt dip. Mix salt, sauce, crushed garlic with yogurt. add a little bit of chives or green onion. Now add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and sprinkle some chilli powder on top. Your potato fritters are ready to serve. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye.